Hello everyone, it's Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a wonderful day and that you're in a safe place and that you're in the best of health. And I tell you what, I love my family, I love who I'm staying with, and it's just been all good. But you know what? I'll be glad to leave this country. I'm telling you. I just want to update you, okay, of what's happening here in the box. So, wow, where should I start from? Because as of the 15th of June, 2021, a supermarket cashier was fatally shot in a mass dispute in Big Bear. And Big Bear's in California. So, the American gun violence is on the rise across the country, from New York City to Chicago to Cincinnati. 11 people killed, 55 wounded, 10 mass shootings across 7 states here in the box. Just this year in the U.S., there has been 273 mass shootings. I haven't heard anything like that happening in the Dominican Republic, okay? There have been 31 mass shootings in June alone. They are blaming it on mental stress, COVID-19, bills, relationship issues. So the U.S. cities brace for deadly summer violence. Like the heat storm is not enough. The heat wave in certain areas of the country is crazy. Me and my wife went for a walk this morning. It was only 72 degrees. I said, I can't believe that I'm in Vegas. Because we're going to go for our morning walks. We got to go early before that sun comes out and start beaming down on us. Now, this is not normal for Las Vegas. But some of the states now that are dealing with heat waves and that humidity is no joke. That's why we're doing what we're doing. I can't wait to get out of this country and get to Europe. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. So, our country is in big trouble right now. The U.S. is bracing and dealing with some summer heat and violence on top of it. People are standing in long lines waiting to buy fans and coolers because they was not prepared for a heat wave in their region ever. This is record-breaking temperatures. So the heat wave is in certain areas of the country, and on top of that, now we have the Delta virus, which is crazy. We still dealing with COVID, but now we got the Delta virus. And it's really affecting kids 12 years old and under. But whenever it hits certain cities, then here comes the lockdown and the mask mandate again. It's also in San Francisco, where we'll be heading in just a few days. So we got to wear masks indoors and outdoors. Same thing that happened when we was in the Dominican Republic. I'm used to it. I'll get on the plane and I'll wear 2 masks to keep myself safe. But I have been vaccinated, so that's a good thing. Okay? So people that are not thinking about being vaccinated, you might want to give that another thought. So, and also during the 4th of July weekend, which is this weekend coming up, which is Sunday, they're talking about high gas prices for the 4th of July weekend. And they blame it on a driver shortages. Because they send everybody, well, you got drivers, but everybody's not trained to be a tanker operator. That's a special gig, and you got to have a Class A license. It's over $3 a gallon now. It is completely ridiculous. And I see why most people and Uber drivers and taxi drivers and people that regular people in the DR and Dominican Republic had those propane tanks in their back trunk. So this is basically just a retirement video perspective, and I'm glad that I moved away from the country. I'm glad I'm in transit to another country, because I don't want to stay here and hear about people getting their brain shot. So you might want to say a prayer, because this is probably just the beginning. So you that are not living in the country right now, be glad, be happy, okay? Be glad, be happy, stay safe. I just wanted to update you on what's happening. And again, I'm glad that I made the move that I'm making. So, in the meantime, between the time, always remember that life is to be enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscription, notification, thumbs up, leave your remarks down in the remarks column. And guess what? We'll see you on the next video.